Hey, what's up, everybody? So your buddy, Pat Lennon Hawthorne, I am back with another unboxing. This is an Amazon.com one from Lexington, Kentucky to South Bend, Indiana. As always, thanks so much for watching my videos. Please subscribe, please share, check out some of my other ones. I've got thousands of videos, hundreds and hundreds, probably over 1,000 unboxings. It's just me talking about stuff that I buy off Amazon and stuff. I'm not sponsored by anything in the products or any of these products, but I would love to be. If you want to send me a product to do a review of or whatever, leave a comment below and let me know. I got some bubble wrap. I got some Basic Care brand ibuprofen. Take in moderation when you need it. I have joint issues like crazy, so I use it every once in a while. And in this, I have two Jack's Link's big beef sticks. Naturally hickory smoked, no added MSG, 20 individual beef sticks. A great snack for lunchbox, home, and work. Feed your wild side. I love jerky. It's a relatively low carb, low sugar snack. It's high in protein and it tastes really good. I like when I'm trying to eat better, sneak in some jerky into the movies. Fortunately, the movie theaters are closed at this moment, but hopefully very soon they'll be back and I can sneak in some jerky. I think the first time I go back, though, I'm going to eat whatever the hell I want. But after that, I'm going to try and be, a little bit more stringent, and sneak in some jerky, some Diet Pop. What is some of your favorite jerky you recommend? I've got some new jerky coming my way. I'll do some taste tests and reviews if you want. Leave a comment below. Please subscribe, please share, and check out some of my other thousands of YouTube videos. Cash at me at London Hawthorne. Go to riptapparel.com, rippedapparel.com, or onceuponatwo.net. Use my username, London Hawthorne, as your coupon code. You'll save a couple bucks off your order, and I get a couple bucks in credit. Wish you the best. Have a great one.